Lead generation doesn't have to be hard. If you know how to do it and if you have a process, it should be simple. So what we're doing here with our system, we are working our data. So the first thing we did, we went out and farmed some data. A lot of people call it scraping. So we can do this from any platform. We can do it from Google. We can do it from Yelp. Once you have your customer or the business that you want to reach, then all you got to do is just clean it and make sure that you have the number and also the email. So to give you an example, we are working this and we want to be able to maximize it. So we want to clean the data before it gets to the system. Once you have it in the system, it's just a matter of selecting the files that you want to work on and let the system do its magic. So let's see. Normally we don't want to do everything all the files at once, because then you start getting in trouble. You start seeing them as a spammer, and we don't want to do that. So we got everything. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Normally we can do this from to any file, and you also want to make sure that you're not doing it to the same file, because then you start looking at spammer. So let's see. Autopilot. That's all you got to do. Autopilot. Okay, so we got all the files. Then once you have all the files, you're going to go all the way to the top. You can add the context into a sequence, and boom, proceed. Now we already have, and first you can select the campaign you're working for. So right now we have this one, cold outreach, and we want to do it all at once at a certain time. You make a little description, HVAC and plumbing, and put the name of the city so that way you keep it simple. Downey. We're gonna have this go out today, and we're gonna do at least, I always like to do it around the time where everyone is ready to go home or everyone is at the office, because you're gonna see the email. Boom. Add to the campaign. And okay, so we work in 42 files. Out of those 42, if you can get at least 3 or 2 that are interested and you have a good sales process, you should be able to close at least 1 lead. So boom, let's go. And that's it, simple. So what you're doing, you're sending a marketing campaign, okay? And to give you an idea how the marketing campaign piece looks, it should be, let's see, local SEO, cold outreach, this one here. So what the campaign has, it has a sequence of steps. In this case, we only have 3. Keep it simple, nice and short, okay? Make it happen.